Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account sign-ups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy check mark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, TELUS, OneFormer, Appen, Remo Tasks, Wellicalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.
Hey everyone, welcome to the ultimate live data analyst exam rating training. If you've ever struggled to pass your data analyst exams or wondered how top analysts conquer MAP, App Store, Project Wells, and Atlantis tasks, you're in the right place. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to reveal insider secrets, step-by-step strategies, and live tips that most candidates will never know. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand exactly how to prepare and pass your data analyst exams with confidence, but also how to fast-track your learning and even leverage pre-made accounts and exam answer strategies to get ahead. So, if you're serious about boosting your exam score and landing remote data analyst roles, make sure you watch this video till the very end. First, let's break down the data analyst exam structure. Whether you're working on MAP, App Store, Project Wells, or Atlantis, the key is understanding how each task is rated. MAP tasks usually focus on location accuracy, identifying relevant businesses, and proper categorization. App Store projects test your ability to accurately review and rate apps based on quality and functionality. Project Wells and Atlantis are a little trickier, requiring deeper analysis and consistent accuracy. Knowing exactly what examiners are looking for is half the battle. That's why in my full course, I provide real-life examples and pre-made solutions that save you hours of preparation. Now, let's go into some live rating tips that can instantly improve your exam performance. Always double-check map locations before rating. A single wrong pin can cost points. When reviewing apps, focus on usability, functionality, and updates. Many candidates overlook version history. Don't be one of them. For Project Wells, consistency is key. Stick to the official guidelines and double-check every entry. Atlantis tasks often require combining multiple data points. Attention to detail separates the top scorers from the rest. Remember, these aren't just theories. These are live-tested techniques that top data analysts use every day. Here's where most candidates fail. They don't know the hidden strategies. Let me share a few. Using pattern recognition in map tasks can speed up your ratings. App Store ratings often follow specific trends. Once you recognize them, scoring becomes predictable. Project Wells and Atlantis have recurring question types. My course provides pre-made examples to help you practice and memorize these patterns efficiently. These insider secrets are what allow candidates to score higher and complete exams faster. And yes, in my training, I also show you how to legally leverage pre-made accounts to save even more time. Preparation is everything. Here's a simple plan you can follow. Review all Project Wells and Atlantis tasks at least twice. Practice map and app store ratings daily, even for 15 to 20 minutes. Use my course material for guided exercises and pre-made account examples. Take mock exams in time conditions to simulate the real environment. Following this plan will give you the confidence to pass your exam without stress. Now, passing the exam isn't just about the certificate. It's your ticket to remote data analyst roles. Companies like TELUS, App Store projects, and independent rating platforms are constantly hiring qualified analysts. When you combine the skills you learn here with my course materials, including pre-made accounts and exam answer insights, you'll stand out from the competition and secure work-from-home opportunities faster. Even experienced candidates make mistakes. Here's what to avoid. Rushing through map ratings without cross-checking. Ignoring updates in App Store tasks. Skipping review guidelines in Project Wells and Atlantis. not practicing with real exam scenarios. Avoid these, and you'll see immediate improvement in your scores. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Leverage pre-made accounts and exam answer templates. They allow you to learn patterns faster, double-check your work, and pass exams with confidence. If you want full access to all my pre-made accounts, answer guides, and step-by-step Project Wells and Atlantis training, check out the course link in the description. Thousands of students have used it to go from struggling to passing with high scores in just days. Thank you for joining this live data analyst exam training. Remember, success comes to those who prepare smart, not just hard. Subscribe to my channel for more live training, exam secrets, and remote work tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you're ready to fast-track your results, grab the course link below to access pre-made accounts and exam answer strategies. I'll see you in the next session. And remember, passing your data analyst exam is not just possible, it's easier than you think when you know the right strategies.
Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy check mark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, TELUS, OneForma, Appen, Remo Tasks, Wellocalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.
I don't even have to leave my room. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this side hustle, which is search engine rating. Now, I know this sounds complicated, but don't worry, I'm going to explain to you guys in the simplest way what search engine rating is. But first, I'm going to give you guys the 4 benefits of this side hustle that guarantees me $20,000 a year. Number 1, no degree or background in search is required in order for you to successfully complete this side hustle.